Ladies and gentlemen, I am Matthew Raywalt. I am the Drama King. But tonight, I share my spotlight as the homecoming king with my queen, the virtuosa Deonna Purrazzo.
D'Lo, I'm just so captivated by the moment.
This man knows how to control an audience, he knows how to control a crowd, but right now, the king is introducing the queen and she looks ravishing.
Oh man, how fitting. It looks like it's been there the entire time. Perhaps perception is reality because Deonna has known since the moment she's ever laced up a pair of wrestling boots that she is indeed the very best. And now, she can strut around here with a great air of excellence.
Well, she's the queen and she's now officially everyone knows it. Not that they had trouble knowing it before.
There they are, the homecoming king and queen.
They're having flowers thrown at them. Look at this.
Acknowledgement of their command performance at homecoming.
No one likes you. 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 That's not true.
As you all know, I'll wait. This is my coronation. I have all day. Like I was saying, as we all know, I've been racking up accolade after accolade after accolade after accolade since I came to Impact Wrestling. Not only am I a two-time Knockouts champion, I am the first ever Iron Woman of Impact Wrestling. I am the 2020 Wrestler of the Year. I am the 2020 Knockout of the Year. And honestly,
No one cares.
really,
No one cares. No one cares. No one cares.
honestly, we all knew I was just the uncrowned queen of the Knockouts division. Since homecoming, we were officially crowned king and queen.
Hardcore country!
Oh boy, look at this.
Oh. Mickie out here to maybe help the coronation.
I know, the Sans Kulaks are revolting. Mickie James, who was a huge surprise at Slammiversary, it was great to see her back at Impact, extended an offer to Deonna Purrazzo to be a part of a night that is, I believe, going to change our sport. August 28th, NWA Empower. Deonna just didn't understand.
Seriously, Mickie?
And it continues here.
Seriously?
A lot of roses in here.
Did we not already do this a couple weeks ago? Are we in the Twilight Zone? Do you not realize you literally stole my spotlight tonight?
I knew that was what you were going to say, and I know that's what it may seem like, but that actually is not why I'm out here. I came out here to congratulate you both. Nice tiara, nice crown. It's beautiful. Very proud of you. I knew you would win. It's very great. And I know you love to sit out here and tell everyone how great you are and all of your accolades and how you are the queen of everything. And I'm sure that you're just so excited to put another jewel in that beautiful little tiara at Empower. But me being the businesswoman that I am, I see that, we only have a handshake deal here, you and I. So I have drawn up an official contract for Empower for you to put the Knockouts Championship on the line.
Oh.
So if you would like to make this official, I think we can do this right now.
An official contract signing right here, right now.
Mickie, businesswoman to businesswoman. I've already done this. Been here, done it. You saw it at Slammiversary. I've defeated the unknown before, and I have no need to do it again. So before I even look at this contract, I need to know who my opponent is.
Well, if that's your concern, that's the only thing you're worried about? Well, you're in luck, because it seems to be that your opponent for Empower is actually here tonight.
What?
It's a smart move by Deonna to protect herself.
Oh my goodness!
Wow!
Striker! I am speechless.
How nice is it to see that face? You want to talk about where we're going in wrestling? Melina Perez to me is one of the most engaging, charismatic, enthralling wrestlers that I have seen in all of my time in this sport.
This young lady is so accomplished. She's well revered, tremendous in-ring talent. Whoa! Let's sign this match. Come on!
Wait. Let's save it for Empower, but now that you know who your opponent is for the championship, are you ready to make this official?
Deonna doesn't waste any time.
No hesitation at all. Look at that.
Jeez. She knows she's good.
It's official. It's official.
Melina, we have never met before. I want to formally introduce myself. I am the Virtuosa, the two-time Knockouts champion. It is very, very, very nice to meet you. It's an honor. But at Empower, it's going to be an honor to defeat you.
Deonna, I heard that when you had your first title match opportunity, you won the Knockouts champion straight away. That's impressive. That's impressive. On August 28th at Empower, I'm excited to do the exact same thing.
Whoa! Gauntlet thrown down.
At times, there's a quiver in Deonna's voice. It's either rage or doubt. But Deonna Purrazzo knows, the entire world knows, Deonna's going to Triple Mania, Deonna's going to NWA Empower, Deonna's the Knockouts champion. She's turned away every single challenge. Now Melina Perez is in the mix. As far as the King and Queen, Harry and Megan got nothing on them. More to come. Impact's just getting started.